Hello everyone. If you are facing mouse drag and drop problem, then this video is for you. Sometimes drag and drop doesn't work, so let's go for the solution. Firstly, first step you have to search here, type here user account. You see this one is come, click OK, click yes. Okay. Then go for CMD command prompt and run this as administrator CS and type sfc slash scan now. Okay, this command will scan all protected system files and replace corrupted files. Okay, and you have to press enter. This process will take some time, so you have to keep patient. This one to be 100% completed, so I'm trying to pause my video. When 100% complete, I come back. Okay, as you can see, it's already done 98%. Okay, it's done. I hope this one is complete, and after complete this one you can easily drag and drop. If not, then there is another way, so I'm going to show you. You have to open Windows PowerShell. Windows PowerShell, run as an administrator. You have to type here DISM. DSM means deployment, image servicing and management. Okay, DISM.exe slash online slash cleanup image slash I have to restore my computer health. Press enter. You have to wait for this completion. So that's all you have to complete 100%. I end my video here. After you completing this, try to restart your computer. That would be better. I hope that this one is solve your problems. Thank you very much.